All right. So today is exciting because we're gonna play with our first footwork freestyle. So we're gonna put together any of these moves that we've learned so far, and we actually have quite a few moves now, yeah? We have our basic positions, our bear position, our cannonball position, we have our 2 steps, we have our 3 steps, we have our chambers, boom. We have our wraps in the front, we have our kick outs, we have our pop outs, we have our sweeps, we have our coffee grinders, yeah? So if any of those moves surprise you, go back and watch the other footwork tutorials, but you don't need to have all those perfect. We're just gonna kind of play around today and experiment with how can we start to freestyle in our footwork a little bit. So we're just gonna start in our bear position, and we're just gonna kind of move through some of these concepts that we've worked on. So from our bear position, I'm just gonna call out some moves, and you're just gonna go ahead and see if you can do those. So let's do a basic 2-step. And again, one more, boom, boom. And now let's go to our 3-step. 1, 2, 3, other side, 1, 2, 3. Now let's go through basic 2-step, and then we're gonna do some hooks and some wraps. Boom, and wrap. Now let's wrap and go back through our chamber, yeah? Now it's chamber to the other side. Boom, 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 boom. Now it's chamber and come back through our wrap in the front. We're gonna kick out, kick out, kick out, kick out, yeah? Woo! So, not super easy. If you're confused, don't worry. That's the hardest part, yeah? Is following along with me saying it, but it's a lot easier when you can just do whatever you want, yeah? So I'm gonna give you a quick little example of what this looks like, and then I'll show you with music, and then you're gonna try, yeah? So maybe I start bear position, I come through to a 3-step, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then I come chamber, other side, chamber, then I go kick out, pop out, pop out. Then I go wrap, and sweep, sweep, coffee grinder, wrap, back through my chamber, boom. Done. Woo, all right, so pause the video and just try that one time on your own. Cool, I hope that was fun. I hope you tried some moves out and didn't get too confused. Now, let's try it with music, yeah? So I'm gonna play the music, you jam out, have a good time. Don't worry about what I'm doing, just do your own thing. If you need any inspiration, you can always look at the video and watch me. But mainly, we're just going slow, trying to stay on beat. So start however you want and go for it. Awesome, I hope you had fun with that. I hope you started to play with some moves and putting them together. Now, as we start to build some freestyle in our footwork, you're gonna realize that one of the hardest things is the transitions between the moves. And this is why it's really important for us to know our base positions, yeah? To know our bear position, our crab position, and our cannonball position, because those are gonna be the transitional positions that we move, to say that 3 times, transitional positions, transitional positions. Whew. Those are gonna be the positions that we move through in our transition. So if we know, if we're in cannonball, we can go to certain moves, right? We can go to our switches, boom, 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 boom. We can go to our kickouts, our pop-outs, yeah, our sweeps. And we know from our sweeps, we can get back into really easily back into our bear position, yeah? And from here, we can go really easily to our chambers, yeah? Or to our 3-step, 1, 2, 3. Or we can go to our crab, yeah? And from our crab, we can do our wraps, yeah? Boom, boom. So those positions are super important to know, and knowing which moves you can go to from each position is gonna make the transitions in your freestyle a lot better. So keep working on it, do another couple freestyles, take your time, take it slow, play some music, have fun.